Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey, Mia, are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What should we eat tonight?
Well, I want something easy.
How about some Italian food?
That sounds really good, Sam.
Do you want some pizza?
Pizza is perfect for tonight.
Is the local place open?
I think so. Let's check.
Do they deliver here?
Yes, they always deliver here.
Is it too late now?
No, it is only 7.
Should we call them now?
Let's use the app instead.
Is your phone charged, Mia?
Yes, it has full battery.
Great. Can you open it?
Opening the pizza app now.
Do they have any deals?
There is a big discount.
Is it for 2 pizzas?
Yes, buy one, get one.
That is a great deal.
I know, it is cheap.
Should we get 2 then?
Yes, we can eat later.
Will they be fresh later?
Pizza is always good cold.
You are right about that.
I am usually right, Sam.
Okay, let's start the order.
I am ready. Let's go.
What is the first step?
First, we pick the crust.
I like the thin crust.
Me too. It is crunchy.
What about the second one?
Let's get a thick crust.
A mix of both styles?
Exactly. Variety is very nice.
Is the app working okay?
It is a bit slow.
Maybe it is the Wi-Fi?
No, the signal is strong.
Okay, keep trying for us.
Wait. Okay, it is working.
What do you see now?
I see the topping menu.
Are there many options there?
Yes, there are so many.
This might take a while.
I don't mind the wait.
I am getting hungrier now.
Just a few more minutes.
Can you hurry a bit?
I am clicking very fast.
Do you want any meat?
Maybe just some pepperoni.
Is pepperoni spicy for you?
No, I like a kick.
How about some extra cheese?
Yes, lots of mozzarella, please.
Should we add any onions?
Actually, I don't like onions.
What about some green peppers?
Green peppers are fine, Sam.
Do you like black olives?
Yes, put them on mine.
Wait, do you like mushrooms?
Mushrooms are okay, I guess.
Let's skip the mushrooms then.
Okay, that is fine too.
Should we get pineapple here?
No, no pineapple on pizza.
Why not? It is sweet.
It is just wrong, Sam.
Okay, no pineapple for us.
Thank you, I really appreciate.
Do you want some ham?
No, just the pepperoni today.
What about the second pizza?
Let's make that one veggie.
Just vegetables and cheese then?
Yes, tomatoes, spinach, and olives.
Spinach on a pizza, really?
Yes, it is very healthy.
Okay, if you say so.
Trust me, it tastes great.
Is there a garlic sauce?
Let me check the menu.
I love the garlic dip.
Me too, it is delicious.
Should we get 2 cups?
Yes, let's get 3 cups.
That is a lot of sauce.
Well, the crust is dry.
Do you want any soda?
Maybe a large ginger ale.
I will get a cola.
Is the diet one okay?
No, I want the regular.
Okay, regular cola for Sam.
Are we finished with toppings?
I think the order's done.
Can you see the price?
Yes, it is $30.
Is that with the deal?
Yes, that is the total.
Is the delivery fee high?
It is $5 extra.
That seems fair to me.
Yes, it is not bad.
Okay, let's submit the order.
Wait, I need the address.
Oh, do you know it?
I have it saved here.
Is our address correct, Mia?
Yes, 123 Maple Street.
Did you add the gate?
Oh, I need the code.
The code is 402.
Okay, typing that in now.
Wait, is there a note?
What should I write there?
Tell them the big house.
Okay, big house, black gate.
Is the credit card ready?
It's already in the app.
Does it show the time?
It says 45 minutes.
That is a long time.
Well, it is Friday night.
Everyone is ordering pizza tonight.
I know, it is busy.
Did you click the button?
I am clicking it now.
Did it go through yet?
It is still loading.
Is the internet working here?
The hallway has bad signal.
Walk closer to the router.
Okay, I am moving now.
Is it better over there?
Yes, the circle is spinning.
Is the order confirmed now?
Yes, we just got it.
Does it show the driver?
His name is Marco, Sam.
Is Marco at the shop?
No, he is far away.
Maybe he is busy too.
Probably, he has other orders.
Can we see his car?
Yes, it is a blue car.
Is the map moving yet?
No, not yet. Still waiting.
I hope the food's hot.
The app says thermal bag.
What does that mean exactly?
It keeps the pizza warm.
Oh, that is very good.
Yes, technology is very cool.
Did you add a tip?
Yes, I added 20%.
That is very kind, Mia.
Drivers work very hard, Sam.
I agree with you there.
Okay, now we just wait.
Should we watch some TV?
Let's find a good movie.
Keep the phone near you.
I will. Don't worry, Sam.
Tell me when he arrives.
I will tell you immediately.
Is the driver moving yet?
Yes, he is at the store.
Is he picking it up?
The app says order ready.
I am so hungry now.
Me too. My stomach hurts.
Do we have any napkins?
I will check the drawer.
Check for some paper plates.
We have lots of those.
I don't want to wash.
Me neither. No dishes tonight.
Where's the driver now?
He is on Main Street.
That is only 5 miles.
But there is some traffic.
Traffic at this hour? Why?
There is a concert downtown.
Oh, I forgot about that.
It's okay. He's moving.
Is the map showing red?
Yes, lots of red lines.
That means it's very slow.
He is taking a detour.
A detour? Is that faster?
The app says so, Sam.
I hope he doesn't get lost.
This house is hard to find.
The house is too big.
Well, it is very nice.
Should I turn the light on?
Yes, turn the porch light on.
I will do that now.
That helps the driver see.
Is it bright enough outside?
Yes, I can see it.
Now he can find us.
He is only 2 blocks away.
Wait, I hear a car.
Is it a blue car?
I can't see the color.
Check the app again, Sam.
The app says almost there.
That must be him then.
The car is slowing down.
Is he at the gate?
Yes, he is typing the code.
Great, the gate is opening.
I will go down now.
I will wait right here.
Do you have your shoes?
No, I am wearing socks.
Put your shoes on, Sam.
Okay, I am fast.
Don't trip on the stairs.
I will be very careful.
See you in a minute.
Bring the pizza up fast.
Hello, are you the driver?
Yes. Pizza delivery for Sam?
That's me. How are you?
I'm good. Busy night tonight.
Was the traffic very bad?
Yes, the concert caused delays.
I'm sorry about that, man.
It's okay. I'm used to it.
Do you have 2 pizzas?
2 pizzas and 3 sauces.
Did you bring the soda?
Yes, 1 cola, 1 ginger ale.
Perfect. Is the payment done?
Yes, it was paid online.
Did the tip go through?
Yes, thank you for that.
You're welcome. Have a night.
Wait, you need to sign.
Oh, on the phone screen?
Yes, just use your finger.
Okay, there you go, Marco.
Thanks. Have a great meal.
Thanks. Drive safe out there.
I will. Enjoy your pizza.
The boxes are very warm.
That is the thermal bag.
It really works well, huh?
Yes, it keeps them hot.
Have a good Friday, Marco.
You too. See you again.
I'm closing the door now.
Good night.
Wow, these pizzas smell amazing.
I bet they taste better.
Mia, I have the food.
Finally, I'm so hungry.
Where should I put them?
Put them on the table.
The table in the kitchen?
Yes, I have the plates.
They are quite heavy boxes.
That means there's lots of cheese.
I hope they are delicious.
Me too. I'm ready.
Did you get the drinks?
Yes, they are right here.
Are they still cold, Sam?
Yes, they have ice inside.
Perfect. Give me a slice.
Wait, let me open them.
Look at all that pepperoni.
It looks so good, Sam.
And the veggie one, too.
The spinach looks very fresh.
I will try that one.
Are you sure it's green?
Yes, I'm feeling very healthy.
Pizza isn't healthy, Sam.
Where are the napkins, Mia?
They're in that small box.
I can only find 2.
Look under the white plates.
Oh, I see them now.
Great. Grab a few more.
Pizza is always very messy.
Yes, we need many napkins.
Should I get some glasses?
Yes, for the soda, please.
I want the tall glasses.
They are in the cupboard.
Are they on the top?
No, they're on the bottom.
I've got them. Here, Mia.
Thanks, I will pour drinks.
Be careful with the bubbles.
I'm pouring it very slowly.
The ginger ale looks fizzy.
It is very cold, too.
I'm opening the first box.
Which one is it, Sam?
This is the pepperoni pizza.
The steam is coming out.
It smells like Italian heaven.
I want the corner piece.
But pizza is a circle.
I mean the crust edge.
Oh, okay, I get it.
The crust is the best.
Here is your first slice.
Wow, it's really big.
The slices are huge here.
That's why I love them.
Is your plate big enough?
Barely. It is hanging off.
Don't drop it on yourself.
I am being very careful.
Is it too hot, Mia?
Yes, let it cool down.
I can't wait that long.
Just blow on it, Sam.
I'm blowing on it now.
Is it better to eat?
Yes, it's just right now.
How does it taste, Sam?
It is simply amazing, Mia.
I'm so glad we ordered.
Me too. Best idea ever.
It was my idea, remember?
Yes, you are smart.
Smart and very, very hungry.
Let's open the veggie one.
Wait, let's finish this first.
We shouldn't rush the pizza.
I agree. Let's enjoy it.
Do you want more sauce?
Yes, pass the garlic dip.
Which movie should we watch?
Something funny or an action.
Let's watch a funny movie.
I like that idea, Sam.
Is the volume loud enough?
I'll turn it up now.
Is the pizza still warm?
Yes, it's still very good.
I'm on my third slice.
Wow, you're eating very fast.
I told you, I'm hungry.
Slow down or you'll choke.
I'm okay, don't worry, Mia.
Okay, pass me a napkin.
Here, I have a stack.
Thanks, I have sauce everywhere.
Is the movie starting now?
The credits are almost over.
The screen is so bright.
It is a new projector.
Everything is perfect tonight, Mia.
Big house, pizza, and movies.
Do you want more soda?
Just a little bit more.
My glass is already empty.
You are like a vacuum.
Hey, that is not nice.
I'm just joking with you.
I'm going for veggie pizza.
How is the spinach one?
It's surprisingly good, actually.
See, I told you so.
You were right this time.
I am always right, Sam.
Don't get a big head.
I'm just a pizza expert.
The movie is getting funny.
He is a great actor.
Look at his funny face.
Oh no, that is hilarious.
I'm almost finished with food.
Me too, I'm getting full.
Should I close the boxes?
Yes, put them away now.
We can eat more later.
Pizza for breakfast is great.
Do you really eat that?
Yes, cold pizza is amazing.
I prefer it warm, Mia.
We have a large oven.
We can heat it later.
Exactly, no food goes waste.
Are you tired now, Mia?
A little bit, food coma.
Let's just finish the movie.
I'm not moving from here.
This was a good night.
The best night this week.
I'm glad you liked it.
I did. Good night, Sam.